It's very bad that these days we still read news about people who do not have access to clean drinking water or are deprived of electricity. The diseases and irreversible environmental effects caused by the use of fossil fuels are really painful. Sometimes I think to myself that I wish people and governments would think more about these problems and use renewable energy. It is true that it is more expensive, but it is worth it. But Bill Gates has a better idea that he calls it green premium. What is this green premium? The difference in cost between a product that involves emitting carbon and an alternative that doesn't. The idea of our startup was formed from here. What do we offer? This plant. The plant consists of two main parts, power generation part and potable water production part. For the first part, we use MCPV, medium concentration photovoltaic method. In this method, sunlight is concentrated 10 to 100 times. A mirror or lens is used to focus sunlight. So with fewer cells and the same light received, we produce the same amount of electricity. Normally, CPV cells are used for this purpose, but they are very expensive. That's why we use conventional solar cells instead. By using conventional cells, we may have the problem of overheating. In this situation, by placing oil pipes and transferring cold oil to back of the cells, we prevent the cells from overheating. We use oil instead of water to cool the cells because seawater may settle in the pipes. The oil is cool at first. Heat is transferred from the cell to the oil. Hot oil enters the chamber. It transfers its heat to water and cools itself. Hot water enters the water treatment section. In the right part of the video, hot water enters the RO plant and we have fresh water as output. Every 1 degree centigrade increase RO efficiency by 3%. By increasing 10 degrees centigrade, we have 30% more efficiency and more water. So fresh water or distilled water is our byproduct besides cheap electricity. We are also working on the produced brine to extract salt from seawater using a low-cost method and make the plant fully environmentally friendly. My name is Elham, the co-founder of ASA Group. I have PhD in electrical engineering. I had an insatiable desire to do something big since I was a child. 2 years ago, I decided to seriously enter the field of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur literally likes to make the world a better place. It's nothing about doing something cynical, money grabber, puff. It's about doing something intellectually, socially rewarding. And I'm ready to accompany ASA in this long, winding path to the success with all my might. And I'm very happy that ASA is a kind of social business because the energy enters in my life in this way is truly endless.
I am Yasser Norouzi, the co-founder of ASA Group. Also, I am assistant professor of electrical engineering at Amirkabir University of Technology, Tehran Polytechnic. For more than 10 years, me and my group worked on renewable energy as well as fresh water generation. Our suggested method simultaneously generates photovoltaic electricity and fresh water. With this method, we increase the efficiency of the conventional electricity generation methods, and plenty of fresh water is generated at lower price than the conventional methods. In ASA Group, me and my team are responsible for technical and scientific issues. We investigate different methods, simulate them, and construct a prototype and test it, and finally we suggest the best method to the construction team.
I am Tahir, a co-founder of ASA Group. We are working in the field of green electricity and water technologies. Our novelty increases the performance of desalination plants by a huge gap, so we can produce cheaper water and electricity compared to the current competitors and methods. The technology is 100% scalable, so we can support a single house to a society or even a city. In our team, I'm responsible for marketing and business development issues, which covers from market survey to market penetration and even sales. I have over 15 years experience in the field of business expansion and product expansion internationally in Iran, in the United Arab Emirates, and right now in the subcontinent of India.